Hi friends, today I'm making sun-dried tomato chicken pasta. I love sun-dried tomatoes and they really jazz up this dish. Let's make it. In a skillet, place olive oil. Once that's nice and hot, add your chicken thighs to sear on each side. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. After about 5 to 7 minutes, flip over your thighs and see that beautiful brown color. Remove to a plate and set that aside. In the same pan, add your shallots, crushed red pepper, garlic, Italian seasoning, and now your sun-dried tomatoes. Give a good stir and let's add some cream. Next, chicken stock. Now you're going to slice your chicken into strips and place in the sauce to finish cooking, approximately 5 minutes or so. Let's stir in some Parmesan cheese. You're going to serve this over pasta. You're going to top with fresh basil, a very important step. This is the perfect finish. You can also top with more Parmesan if desired. I served with roasted asparagus. Absolutely amazing. I hope you try and enjoy.